Markets were extremely quiet overnight. The European summer holidays, along with the Olympics, certainly seem to be contributing to some low volatility in markets. The New Zealand dollar was very steady over the past 24 hours and continues to sit just under 81 cents against the US dollar and just under 66 cents against the euro. The markets do appear to be in a sort of holding pattern this week ahead of some key central bank meetings offshore. In particular, we have the European Central Bank meeting and the Federal Reserve. Market expectations for the ECB meeting are now quite high, following comments by the ECB President Draghi heading into the weekend. At a minimum, market participants are now expecting that the ECB will resume bond purchases. I think it's fair to say that there is quite a lot of scope for disappointment towards the end of this week. One of the key features for New Zealand's economic outlook over the coming years, as well as one of the key influences on interest rates, is the Canterbury rebuild. Over the past few months, we've seen some early, although tentative signs of activity starting to pick up in anticipation of this rebuild process. Over the March quarter, we saw a strong surge in construction activity in Christchurch. And this, along with other indicators such as the sales of ready-mix concrete and the steady uptick in building consents, we can be confident that this momentum and activity will be continued. Overnight, we saw the Christchurch Development Unit release its new plan for the CBD structure. Now, this should provide some certainty and accelerate the rebuild process. We expect this may trigger a flurry of activity heading into Christmas.